Hi there, my name is Felipe de Barros. I am an associate professor in civil and environmental engineering. My research focuses on understanding how water and contaminants move below the ground surface. You can imagine that the groundwater system is represented by a sponge. A sponge is with different porosities, with different conductive properties to represent a highway. So it serves like a preferential channel where water moves very, very fast. So a part of my research is trying to understand how these conductive channels or these channelings or preferential flow paths in an aquifer impacts fading transport of chemicals, that when you understand the role of the structure of this highway or these sponges and how contaminants they move, you can develop better aquifer remediation strategies. For example, try to identify locations where you can pump the water to remove that contaminant in a more efficient way, or understand locations where we can inject some kind of reactant that can react with that contaminant plume, which will degrade it faster, for example, but also understand how much of that chemical is going to be in a water supply system and the magnitude of that risk. So I envision a world where we're going to be able to do real-time risk analysis using the tools developed by my research group that incorporates the data that we acquire in a field, but at the same time does not ignore the physics coming from the groundwater system. And that will help us protect life on the planet.